What's up, guys? Your Bigly here. I'm going to teach you a simple tip, a technique that's going to help you lose fat on an everyday basis. To know it fully, you'll have to watch the entire video. So let's get started. When it comes to fat loss, the main problem is people are not able to stick to a plan. Okay, however practical the program is, in a matter of 1 week or 10 days, their motivation plummets down. So how do we keep this up? When we talk about motivation, motivation is something that can only get you started. For example, a spark that somebody has body shamed you, or you saw a photo and got inspired, you saw a video and got inspired. That inspiration, that motivation stays only for a very short period. After that is gone, your plan also goes into drain. So how do you stick to the plan? How do you change this plan into a habit rather than something that is driven by motivation? If you see, success is attained by proper habits, not just motivation. So there are different brain frequencies, and certain brain frequencies can help you adhere to plans and achieve things much better. That's the alpha state. Usually, a person is in a beta state throughout the day. When he goes into sleep, he moves from beta to alpha, and then from alpha to a much calmer state theta, a much calmer state delta, and delta is where you balance your hormones and a lot of good things happen. And when you're trying to wake up, you move from delta to theta and then theta to alpha, and you wake up. And during this wake up time is when you can create habits, and this could be the time where your brain listens to what you say and control your entire day's action. If you look at all the famous successful people, may it be Elon Musk, may it be Jeff Bezos, may it be Bill Gates, or may it be any superstar in sport, the morning routine is very important. They wake up, they visualize and do something for their goal. So in terms of fat loss, how are we going to do that? When you wake up after 8 to 10 hours of fasting and not having any water, your brain is in a dehydrated state. More than 70% of your brain is water. So as soon as you wake up, drink few glasses of water, 2 or 3 glasses of water. This is not only going to rejuvenate your brain, but also your entire body and kindle up your metabolism. Then, second, what you do is you try to visualize your goal. When you visualize first thing in the morning, you're able to convert your motivation into a long-standing one so that you can create habit. The third thing that you are going to do is simple. Do a 5-minute workout routine. This is not your extended routine, but a 5 minutes routine, which could be just some jumping jacks or push-ups or quick walking, climbing up and down the stairs, or whatever you want to do. Just that 5 minutes immediately after visualization, that's going to give your brain that spark. You're going to wake up better, and when you're waking up, you're doing something for your goal. So this simple 3-step process: when you wake up, immediately brush your teeth and drink water to hydrate yourself. Then visualize your goal, and third, do some activity for your goal. This will convert your motivation into a long-standing habit, and results are gonna follow you without you chasing them hard or thinking about times when what should I do to lose fat or fat loss, and you will never see the frustration of executing your plan. Hope the technique is gonna give you great results. Please update me after following this technique on how it worked for you. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, it's time to immediately go and press the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that every informative video that I make for you pops up in your notification. Give me a like, comment, and please do share with friends who will find it useful. Until the next episode, it is your Bigly, over and out.